If I had named this video top 5 free trading tools, I would have almost certainly had more views because everyone wants free stuff. But there are 3 reasons why I chose not to call it that. My main goal is not to get as many views as possible, but rather to be as beneficial to my subscribers as possible. Secondly, usually when people give away trading tools for free, they don't keep their products up to date. And lastly, there are not too many YouTubers who share their profitable EIs for free as I do. Having said that, at the end of this video, I'll be sharing a free tool that I use daily and really helps me in my trading. So now let me show you the top 5 trading tools I found within the 50 to 100 price range, which is a common and reasonable price for serious traders. If you're ready, let's go for it. Hi, my name is Petko. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and now I will share with you the 5 trading tools that I found to be very useful. And the first one is the Trade Assistant for MetaTrader 5. This tool will help you calculate the risk per trade, and it will help you put in your order easily. With a few videos below, you can see how it works. The developer has provided quick guides. All these are kind of gift videos that usually the sellers on MQL5 marketplace will offer, and you can see that we can easily calculate the risk-reward ratio, which will help you understand how much you're risking in a trade according to your stop loss and your take profit. And as well, there are some interesting options if you are going to use trailing stop, for example, or if you are going to put some pending orders, for example. You can set buy limit, or you can actually set a higher position from the current price and set a sell limit. So whenever the price reaches to a higher level, it will open the trade automatically, and all of that will be a tool displayed on the platform. Now this tool costs $50 and the reviews are really positive. Over 130 people reviewed the product. I won't go through all of them right now, but you can check them yourself, and you can see that there are over 1,000 comments, which means a lot of people are actually using the tool. Now I will give you one more option that I found for that purpose of having such a tool on your chart that will be useful for those of you who want to know what are the risks prior opening the trade. This one is a little bit more costly at $99, and it is quite popular among the traders. You can see that there are over 100 reviews. The rating is 4.96, so such a rating says that pretty much it works fine. You can see that again there are some pictures and GIFs to give you an idea how that tool works, and it is pretty much the same idea. You can open pending orders and you can set your risk-reward ratio before opening the trade. So if you need such a tool, I would leave it on you to decide which one of the two works better for you. Now the second tool is the local trade Copier, and it comes very handy for people who are trading expert advisors on different accounts. For example, if you already have some of the expert advisors I share in my YouTube videos for free, or you have some of my courses with expert advisors attached, you may want to test these expert advisors with different brokers. So a trade copier will allow you to copy transactions between 2 or more MetaTrader terminals installed on the same Windows computer or Windows VPS, okay? Which means that you won't need to place all of the expert advisors on all of the different MetaTrader terminals. You can use such a trade copier and it will automatically copy the trades for you. This is also useful if you want to copy trades from MT5 to MT5, from MT4 to MT5, from MT5 to MT 24. As well, there is a demo account, which means you can test it out for free and decide if you like it or not. The third trading tool I have selected for today's video is the Telegram signal provider, which will allow you to automatically send signals from MetaTrader 4 to a Telegram channel or group. And this is a useful tool if you are a signal provider or if you want to become one. So if you have community and you have a successful strategy expert advisor and you want to charge the community to follow your signals via Telegram group, this tool will help you do that automatically for just $59. And by the way, I'm not planning to become a signal provider, but I'm planning to have a Telegram group very soon for all of my subscribers and people following my trading strategies and videos. And if you guys are interested in that, let me know just down in the comments so I will know approximately how many people would be interested in joining such a Telegram group. And before I show you the fourth and the fifth trading tools I have selected and the free one I have prepared for you guys, I want to say huge thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Black Bull Markets. So if you are using any tools, if you are trading with expert advisors or manually, you need a reputable and trusted broker. And such a broker is Black Bull Markets, and it is an award-winning broker with excellent 24/7 support. It offers over 26,000 instruments and you can start as low as you wish, meaning that you can start trading even with $10, which is pretty alright for beginner traders. Don't open huge accounts and risk real money until you are absolutely sure in the trading system you are using and you're confident in your results. The broker also offers leverage 1 to 500, which is really good, especially for European traders like me, because we are restricted when we use regulated brokers in Europe with leverage up to 30. With Black Bull Markets, you can trade with leverage up to 500 and you can select between 3 different types of account. The ECN Standard, which charges no commission, the ECN Prime account that offers $6 per lot commission and very low spread starting from 0.1, and the ECN Institutional account is for the most serious traders trading over $20,000. The very interesting thing with Black Bull Markets is that they offer TradingView, Black Bull Trade, MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, WebTrader and Black Bull Shares. However, all of the tools that I'm showing you today work for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. However, if you are a fan of TradingView, you can have a TradingView Pro subscription for free. I'll leave a link down below in the description. You guys make sure to check out this broker. I've been using them for quite a long time. I have plenty of demo and live accounts and I never had issues with the broker. With that being said, thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. And now let me go back to the fourth trading tool I have prepared for you. And that is the Cluster Second, which costs $100 and it allows you to build different types of graphs. You can build seconds charts, tick charts, and this is very useful for the scalpers, those that are trading on the very low time frames, and even 1 minute is not low enough, so you need seconds charts. The Cluster Second is a great tool for that. It offers as well Delta chart, Renko charts, range chart, and to be honest with you, I was using this tool back in time when I was trading with Renko charts, and for the beginners this means that the candlesticks ignore the time. Something very interesting, but it's not a topic of today's video. The reviews are quite positive, there are plenty of comments and we can see that quite many people are using the tool. And now let me show you the fifth trading tool that I have selected for you, and this is the Grib Manual from MT5, or that is a trading panel for working with grid strategies. If you check out the comments, you will see that there are plenty of positive comments as well. The reviews are very positive. There is a long one which is really positive. I went through that review as well. And like most of the others, you can have that tool for 1 year or 3 months. And there is a free demo, which is pretty cool. You can read more about it if you are a fan of the grid trading systems. So with these 5 tools, I have tried to cover different utilities that might be useful for you if you are a manual trader or algo trader. But there is 1/6 which will be for free, and this is the CoinRank. Actually, that is a separate website. It's not from the MT5 marketplace. It is a free website where you can keep an eye on all of the cryptocurrencies, but that's not all you can do. You can monitor the different time frames, and as well you can add different indicators. The very good thing about CoinRank is that you don't need to register. There are no ads, nothing is being sold on that website. It is just a free useful tool. And what I like the most about it is the balance. Here I have recorded, for example, one Bitcoin position that I have on one exchange, and last year when Bitcoin was dropping in price, I was using every drop to buy some Bitcoin, and the price was dropping lower. I bought some more, and you can see that in total I have bought for $5,000, or this is how much I have spent. And because my average price is 22,830 from these 5 positions, the price is higher now, so I am over $1,000 of a profit. And every time I was buying for $1,000, but if you are purchasing crypto for different amount of money every time, it gets a little bit difficult to calculate your average price and to keep track of it, especially if you are doing it on different exchanges and on different wallets. So you can use CoinRank to keep track of all your purchases, and you can export it as well to Excel, or you can import it back if you are investing not just in Bitcoin but different trading assets. Very useful tool. I will leave it down below in the description, guys. And please do not take any of these trading tools as a recommendation. Just a few of my team members and many of my subscribers were asking for different tools and expert scripts that they need for their trading, so I decided to record a video with 5 that are really useful with great reviews. A lot of people are using them, but this video is not promoting any of these tools. Check them out. I'll leave links down below in the description so you can do your due diligence and decide if any of these tools will be useful for you. And of course, if you're using any different tools, no matter if they are paid or free, leave the links down below so the video will be useful for everyone watching. And before you go, make sure you check out this video because it will give you 5 of my trading robots for free. I wish you a wonderful day, guys. Don't forget that I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.